Picture this, a time not too far from now when humanity no longer looks up to the stars with mere wonder, but with the intent and capability to truly live among them. It's a future brimming with promise, but it hinges on something extraordinary: biotechnology. Imagine space stations where resources are not just conserved, but generated anew, and life isn't just sustained, but thrives against the tapestry of the cosmos. This isn't just science fiction. Today, the marvels of biotechnology are crafting this vision into reality, providing solutions to challenges once deemed insurmountable. As we stand at the cusp of this new era of exploration, the need to adapt and innovate in life support systems becomes urgent. From producing food to maintaining environmental balance, biotechnology holds the transformative power required to make living off Earth feasible. Together, let's embark on this exploration to uncover the biotechnological advancements that are not only redefining how we perceive sustainability, but are also paving the way for human life to flourish beyond the boundaries of our planet. Stay with us as we unravel the innovations that could change our world and beyond forever. As the next challenge unfolds, we delve into the historical milestones that laid the foundation for today's biotechnological advancements in space exploration. The journey began during the early days of space missions when life support systems were simple yet vital. However, these basic systems were not designed for long-term sustainability, prompting the need for more innovative and enduring solutions. This journey toward sustainable life in space stations took a pivotal turn in the 1960s, a time marked by the ambitious initiative led by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, known as the Controlled Ecological Life Support System. This groundbreaking research aimed to develop a closed-loop life support system capable of maintaining human life in the harsh environments of space by recycling resources such as air and water. The Controlled Ecological Life Support System served as a conceptual breakthrough, integrating biological processes that mimic the Earth's natural ecosystems, an idea that is central to modern advancements in space biotechnology. These early explorations underscored the importance of achieving a balance between technology and biology. They laid the groundwork for a new era where sustainability became a primary focus in space habitation. As scientists discovered the limitations of relying solely on mechanical systems, the exploration of biological alternatives became more compelling. This evolution illuminated the path for advancing technologies that we now consider essential for sustainable life in space. By studying these historical milestones, we gain a clearer understanding of the challenges faced and the innovative thinking applied to overcome them. This understanding not only highlights the perseverance required to advance space exploration, but also sets the stage for the present-day innovations that promise to redefine how we sustain life beyond our planet. With a solid historical foundation in place, we are now ready to explore the first of many remarkable advancements that biotechnology offers for sustaining life in space stations. As the next challenge unfolds, we embark on the fascinating world of synthetic biology enhancements, transforming the landscape of sustainability in space stations. Synthetic biology, a field at the forefront of modern science, enables the creation of custom organisms tailored to meet the unique demands of space environments. These advancements are spearheaded by scientists who are engineering resilient microbes capable of producing essential nutrients, reducing waste, and generating oxygen, fundamental components for sustaining long-term human habitation in space. One of the pioneering initiatives in this realm is the Space Synthetic Biology Platform, which seeks to harness the capabilities of these engineered microorganisms. By cultivating life-supporting bacteria and algae, this project aims to create a self-sustaining ecosystem within the confines of a space station. The organisms are designed to perform critical functions such as recycling carbon dioxide into oxygen, a vital process that mirrors Earth's natural ecosystems and is crucial for maintaining breathable air. Beyond oxygen production, synthetic biology offers promising solutions for food security in space. Scientists are developing microbes that can synthesize essential amino acids and vitamins, reducing the dependency on traditional food supply methods. This not only minimizes the logistical challenges of transporting food from Earth, but also ensures a consistent and reliable source of nutrition for astronauts. The implications of these developments extend far beyond theoretical exploration. Practical applications of synthetic biology are being tested in space missions today, showcasing the feasibility of these innovations. Experiments conducted on the International Space Station have demonstrated the viability of engineered organisms, paving the way for larger-scale implementation. These advances enhance our ability to create self-sustaining habitats in space, reducing the reliance on frequent resupply missions and making long-term habitation feasible. As synthetic biology continues to evolve, its potential to transform sustainability in space grows exponentially. By integrating these technologies, we are not only addressing the immediate challenges of life support in space, but also laying the foundation for future exploration and colonization efforts. Through these breakthroughs, we envision a future where space stations are equipped with ecosystems that mimic the resilience and efficiency of Earth's own life support systems. Moving forward, it becomes increasingly clear that synthetic biology is a powerful tool in our quest to sustain life beyond our planet, offering innovative solutions that redefine how we approach space habitation. As we embrace these advancements, they promise to reshape our understanding of what is possible in the realm of space exploration, unlocking new potentials for human life among the stars. Now turning to the second advancement, bioregenerative life support systems represent a pivotal innovation in our quest to sustain human life in space. These systems fundamentally transform space habitats by using living organisms to recycle waste into vital resources like food, water, and oxygen. Essentially, they mimic Earth's ecosystems, establishing a self-sustaining environment within the confines of a space station. At the heart of this process are algae and plants, often referred to as living machines due to their remarkable ability to maintain closed-loop life support systems. Algae, for instance, play an integral role by performing photosynthesis, a process where carbon dioxide exhaled by astronauts is converted into oxygen, effectively regenerating a breathable atmosphere. This is not merely a theoretical concept, but a practical application that is currently being tested and refined. These small but mighty organisms have shown incredible promise in creating a balance between carbon dioxide absorption and oxygen production, a critical element for long-term habitation. Plants, on the other hand, contribute not only to air quality but also to food production. They are capable of turning waste into edible biomass through natural processes, thereby closing the loop of life support systems. This recycling of organic waste is essential for minimizing the need for resupply missions from Earth, promoting a sustainable living environment. The integration of these bioregenerative systems offers a reliable and efficient way to manage resources, which is crucial as space missions extend beyond short-duration stays. The potential of these systems is amplified as we explore how they can be optimized for various conditions in space. Research is currently underway to adapt specific plant species for the unique challenges of space habitats, such as low gravity and radiation exposure. By genetically selecting or engineering these plants, scientists are working to enhance their resilience and productivity in adverse conditions. Additionally, experiments aboard the International Space Station have provided valuable insights into the capabilities of these systems, showcasing their effectiveness in closed environments. The adaptability of bioregenerative systems suggests a future where space stations operate with a level of autonomy that echoes Earth's ecosystems. As we continue to refine these technologies, the vision of sustainable life in space becomes increasingly tangible. This advancement not only addresses immediate life support needs, but also sets a foundation for more extensive future exploration and habitation. Ultimately, the development of bioregenerative life support systems represents a crucial step forward in our journey to create habitable environments among the stars. As we unlock the potential of living organisms to thrive in space, we are empowered to extend the reach of human exploration, paving the way for a future where life in space is not just a possibility but a reality. With the next phase of the journey in sight, genetic engineering emerges as a powerful tool in the realm of biotechnology, particularly in enhancing crop resilience for space stations. This advancement holds the promise of cultivating plants that can withstand the harsh conditions of space, such as intense radiation, low gravity, and extreme temperatures. By using innovative techniques like CRISPR technology and gene editing, scientists are able to modify plant genomes, boosting their productivity and resistance to these unique challenges. CRISPR, short for clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, facilitates precise edits to an organism's DNA, allowing targeted improvements in plant traits. This technology is pivotal in developing crops that not only survive but thrive in space environments, providing a continuous and reliable food source for astronauts. A notable example of genetic engineering's potential is the successful cultivation of genetically modified wheat, which has been tested under controlled conditions simulating space environments. These trials demonstrate the viability of genetically engineered crops in maintaining food security even when far from Earth's resources. Additionally, research has focused on staples like rice and soybeans, which are being adapted to optimize nutrient uptake and growth efficiency under low-gravity conditions. Moreover, these scientific endeavors are not confined to theoretical research. They are actively being tested on platforms such as the International Space Station. Here, experimental setups allow for the observation of genetically modified plants in microgravity, offering invaluable data on their growth patterns and nutrient composition. This hands-on research is crucial in understanding how these engineered crops can contribute to closed-loop systems, where food production is integrated seamlessly with waste recycling and water purification processes. The ability to engineer plants that adapt to and flourish in space environments is a cornerstone for sustainable living beyond Earth. It reduces the dependency on costly and challenging resupply missions from our home planet, ensuring a sustainable food supply is readily available. As we look towards long-duration missions and potential settlements on the Moon or Mars, the role of genetically engineered crops becomes even more significant. These plants could one day form the backbone of extraterrestrial agriculture, laying the groundwork for future interplanetary ecosystems. In essence, genetic engineering for resilience in crops is not just about survival, it is about thriving in extraterrestrial landscapes. This remarkable advancement in biotechnology offers a sustainable solution to one of the most fundamental human needs, food. By leveraging the power of genetic modification, we are not only preparing for life in space but also enhancing our agricultural practices on Earth. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, this technology will undoubtedly play a crucial role in our pursuit of a sustainable future among the stars. Now turning to the fascinating innovation in biotechnology, tissue engineering and lab-grown food are revolutionizing sustainable food production for space exploration. As we look beyond traditional farming methods, these technologies offer groundbreaking solutions to the challenges of producing meat and other foodstuffs in the unique environment of space. Imagine enjoying a steak that was never part of a living animal. This is the promise of companies like Aleph Farms, a leader in the field of cultivated meat. Aleph Farms is on the cutting edge of producing steaks from cultured cells, a process that bypasses the need for livestock entirely. This not only addresses the ethical concerns surrounding animal welfare, but also reduces the environmental footprint typically associated with meat production. By cultivating meat in a lab, we can significantly decrease the resources needed, such as water and land, while still providing the essential nutrients that astronauts require on long-duration space missions. The implications of lab-grown meat transcend the boundaries of Earth. In space where resources are limited and traditional farming is impractical, cultured meat provides a viable alternative. It ensures a reliable and sustainable protein source without the need for massive infrastructure or complex supply chains. This technology allows for the production of diverse meat alternatives, offering variety and nutritional balance necessary for human health in space. The controlled environment of a space station could be ideal for such production, using minimal resources to feed its inhabitants. Tissue engineering extends beyond meat to other food products, offering the potential to grow dairy, fish, and even eggs in space. This versatility is crucial for maintaining dietary diversity and ensuring long-term sustainability in extraterrestrial environments. On Earth, these advances in biotechnology are making significant strides toward more sustainable food practices. The reduction of livestock farming contributes to decreased greenhouse gas emissions and lessens the strain on natural resources. This mirrors the sustainable goals we aim for in space, creating a synergy between terrestrial and cosmic sustainability efforts. Moreover, lab-grown food technology is undergoing rigorous testing and refinement aboard platforms like the International Space Station. This provides invaluable data for optimizing production processes and understanding how these foods perform under space conditions. Such experimentation is key to ensuring that tissue-engineered foods meet the nutritional and safety standards required for astronaut consumption. In essence, tissue engineering and lab-grown food not only promise to solve the challenge of food scarcity in space, but also pave the way for innovative agricultural practices here on Earth. By leveraging biotechnology, we are not only preparing for life beyond our planet, but also advancing our pursuit of a more sustainable and ethical food system globally. This marks a significant leap toward a future where food is produced with minimal impact on our planet, allowing us to feed our growing population while preserving the Earth's delicate ecosystems. Moving forward into the realm of environmental monitoring, biosensors are proving to be indispensable in ensuring the safety and habitability of space stations. These sophisticated devices play a critical role in maintaining the health and well-being of astronauts by constantly monitoring air, water, and surfaces for harmful contaminants and pathogens. In such closed environments where external assistance is not readily available, the ability to detect and manage environmental threats is paramount. A notable innovation in this area is the development of the so-called e-nose. This advanced technology functions much like a human nose but with far greater sensitivity and precision. It is specifically designed to identify a wide range of air quality issues, from detecting volatile organic compounds to monitoring oxygen levels and identifying hazardous chemicals. The e-nose is equipped with an array of sensors that collectively analyze the complex mixture of gases present in a space station's atmosphere. By processing this information in real time, it provides crucial insights that can prevent potential health risks, ensuring the air remains safe for astronauts to breathe. Beyond air quality, biosensors are also vital in monitoring water systems aboard space stations. Ensuring a clean and safe water supply is essential on long missions where traditional water sources must be recycled and managed efficiently. Through the use of biotechnological sensors, impurities and microbial contaminants in the water can be swiftly identified and addressed, maintaining high standards of hygiene and health. This continuous monitoring is not limited to air and water. It extends to assessing the cleanliness and safety of surfaces within the space habitat. Biosensors are deployed to detect the presence of harmful microbes and ensure that sanitation protocols are up to date and effective. This holistic approach to environmental monitoring significantly reduces the risk of infections and other health-related issues, providing a safer living environment for space explorers. The real-time data provided by biosensors not only safeguards the immediate environment but also contributes to long-term research. These devices gather invaluable data that can be analyzed to improve our understanding of environmental interactions in space conditions. This knowledge is crucial for designing more efficient systems that can be applied to both space stations and future interplanetary habitats. Such advancements demonstrate the profound impact of biotechnology in enhancing life in space, ensuring that space stations are not only livable but also optimally safe for human occupation. As we continue to push the boundaries of human presence in space, the role of biosensors will undoubtedly expand, providing key insights that will guide the development of more advanced and reliable systems for ensuring environmental safety. In essence, these biotechnological marvels underscore the importance of proactive monitoring and management in supporting sustainable life beyond our planet. As the next challenge unfolds, imagine a future where biotechnology not only supports life but elevates it to astounding new levels. We stand on the brink of a transformation where biofabrication, a process using biological materials to create complex structures, could redefine how we build in space. Picture habitats constructed not with traditional materials like metal or glass, but through the growth of organic structures that adapt and self-repair. This vision of bio-inspired architecture is no longer confined to science fiction. Researchers are actively exploring the potential of microorganisms and cellular systems to develop materials that can self-assemble and transform according to the needs of their environment. Such advancements could lead to habitats that grow alongside their occupants, responding dynamically to changing conditions, which is invaluable on long-term space missions. Consider the concept of using algae and fungi to produce construction materials that not only build but also sustain life. These materials could be engineered to photosynthesize, providing oxygen and food while simultaneously absorbing carbon dioxide. This multifunctional approach could drastically reduce the need for external resupply missions, offering a self-sustaining loop that echoes Earth's natural ecosystems. Beyond physical structures, let's explore the realm of healthcare and enhancement in space. Biotechnology could lead to breakthroughs in medical treatments tailored to the unique conditions of space travel. Imagine regenerating tissues or even entire organs on demand, using bioprinting technologies that leverage a person's own cells. Expert predictions suggest that these innovations could not only mend but enhance human capabilities, enabling astronauts to adapt more effectively to the harsh realities of space. Visionaries in this field propose scenarios where genetic modifications might provide resistance against radiation or the adverse effects of low gravity. As ambitious as these prospects may sound, they highlight the growing intersection of biology and technology in crafting new paradigms of existence in space. Looking further, the implications of these developments stretch beyond habitation and health. Biotechnology might enable the synthesis of new materials, leading to the creation of advanced manufacturing processes that are both sustainable and adaptable. This could revolutionize industries related to space travel, leading to the production of spacecraft components and tools from biologically derived materials, all manufactured on site in space habitats. Such advancements would not only lower the cost but also increase the efficiency and resilience of space missions. As we envision this future shaped by biotechnology, we must consider the profound impact these innovations could have on our approach to space exploration and beyond. By challenging ourselves to think beyond current limitations, we open up possibilities that could redefine our place in the universe. This journey invites us to imagine a world where life in space is not just sustained but enriched, showcasing the boundless potential of biotechnology to transform our cosmic aspirations into reality. As the sun rises on the next chapter, we delve into the profound ethical and societal implications of biotechnology in space. The marvels we've discussed also bring forth significant challenges that demand our attention. At the forefront of these issues is genetic manipulation, which, although offering incredible potential, raises questions about the extent to which we should alter life itself. Modifying organisms to suit the conditions of space could lead to unforeseen consequences, both for the biological systems involved and the broader ecological balance of extraterrestrial environments. The creation of synthetic organisms designed to function in space similarly demands careful consideration. While these organisms can fulfill vital roles such as producing oxygen or decomposing waste, they also pose risks of unintended interactions with local ecosystems if and when we venture beyond human-made habitats. Contemplating these possibilities urges us to contemplate the line between innovation and intrusion. Where do we draw it? As we examine these ethical dilemmas, another layer emerges: the implications of space colonization. Establishing human presence in the cosmos is not just a scientific feat, but a social transformation with global consequences. It prompts reflection on who benefits, who decides, and how resources are allocated in this new frontier. These are not merely logistical queries, but moral ones that echo our responsibilities as stewards of both Earth and potential new worlds. Questions arise about how we ensure equity and fairness in access to these advancements, and what safeguards are necessary to protect space environments from exploitation. In this context, how do we balance our drive for exploration with the duty to preserve the sanctity of untouched space landscapes? Engaging with these topics compels us to consider how we balance the promise of biotechnology with its potential pitfalls. Can we advance without compromising ethical responsibility? What frameworks do we need to evaluate these technologies critically and thoughtfully? The answers may lie in fostering international cooperation and dialogue, creating regulatory frameworks that guide ethical development and deployment, and ensuring diverse voices contribute to the conversation. This balanced stewardship is crucial as we venture into the unknown, reflecting our commitments to sustainability, justice, and respect for life. In the grand tapestry of space exploration and biotechnology, these ethical considerations remind us that the responsibilities accompanying technological prowess are as vast as the cosmos we seek to inhabit. As we push the boundaries of what is possible, maintaining an ethical compass is essential to ensure that innovation leads not just to new frontiers, but to a future that is just, inclusive, and reflective of the values we hold dear. Our journey into space is not just a physical expedition, but a moral one, challenging us to uphold the highest standards of integrity as we redefine our place among the stars. As the next chapter unfolds, we turn our gaze to the collaborative spirit driving advancements in biotechnology for space exploration. At the heart of this endeavor is the International Space Station, a quintessential symbol of global unity. This multinational partnership has laid the groundwork for groundbreaking research that transcends borders and benefits all of humanity. The station serves as a testbed for innovative experiments, allowing scientists from various countries to share their expertise and insight. Such collaboration amplifies our ability to tackle the complex challenges of sustaining life in space by pooling knowledge and resources from around the world. Space agencies and private companies are also stepping up to the plate, forming alliances that push the boundaries of what biotechnology can achieve in extraterrestrial settings. The European Space Agency, NASA, and the Russian Federal Space Agency, among others, have joined forces on numerous projects aimed at enhancing life support systems or developing sustainable food production methods in space. These collaborative initiatives are a testament to the shared vision of a future where space stations are not just habitable but thriving ecosystems. Private enterprises are making significant contributions as well. companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are partnering with nations and research institutions, offering platforms for experimentation that were once unimaginable. Their involvement accelerates the pace at which we can test and implement biotechnological solutions, fostering a spirit of innovation that transcends traditional boundaries. By integrating the nimbleness of private sector innovation with the structured frameworks of governmental agencies, we are witnessing a new era of space research and development. Furthermore, international conferences and symposiums provide a vital platform for dialogue and sharing of best practices, ensuring that the latest findings are disseminated and applied effectively. These gatherings encourage open discussions about the ethical implications of our advancements, ensuring that diverse perspectives are considered in the decision-making process. The collective wisdom gathered from these collaborations not only enriches our scientific endeavors but also strengthens diplomatic ties, weaving a complex tapestry of goodwill and mutual respect. In essence, the global effort to advance biotechnology in space is a microcosm of what humanity can achieve when united by a common goal. This cooperative approach underscores the necessity of drawing on a wide array of talents and expertise to address the monumental task of ensuring sustainable life beyond our planet. As we look to the stars and chart this course, it becomes clear that the future of space exploration relies not just on technological prowess, but on our ability to work together as a global community, bound by a shared destiny that is as expansive as the universe itself. Moving forward, the remarkable innovations developed for space travel are increasingly finding their way back to Earth with practical applications that benefit us all. As scientists work to create sustainable life support systems in the isolated environments of space, these advancements are being adapted for use in environmental sustainability, agriculture, and medicine right here at home. One of the most significant areas of impact is environmental sustainability. The closed-loop life support systems designed for space stations are inspiring groundbreaking solutions for waste management and resource conservation on Earth. Techniques used to recycle water and air in space are now being utilized in urban areas to reduce water scarcity and improve air quality. By drawing inspiration from the way space habitats manage their limited resources, cities are implementing more efficient systems to recycle and repurpose waste, creating cleaner, more sustainable living environments. Agriculture is another field benefiting from space-driven biotechnology. The need for resilient crops that can thrive in the harsh conditions of space has led to significant advances in genetic engineering. Crops that have been developed to grow in low gravity and low light conditions are now being cultivated on Earth to improve food security in regions with challenging climates. These space-inspired crops offer higher yields and are more resistant to pests and diseases, ensuring a stable food supply for growing populations. Additionally, vertical farming techniques used in space to maximize limited square footage are being adopted in urban areas, paving the way for sustainable agriculture that minimizes land use and conserves precious resources. In the realm of medicine, the innovations designed to keep astronauts healthy in space are revolutionizing healthcare on Earth. Space missions have driven the development of advanced biomedical technologies, including telemedicine systems that allow medical professionals to remotely monitor and treat patients. This has expanded access to healthcare, particularly in remote or underserved areas where traditional medical facilities may be scarce. Furthermore, the development of portable diagnostic devices for use in space is enhancing point-of-care testing on Earth, providing rapid and accurate medical assessments that improve patient outcomes. The parallels between space and terrestrial advancements reveal that these technologies have a far-reaching impact on our daily lives and ecosystems. By continuing to explore the challenges of living sustainably in space, we gain valuable insights and innovations that address pressing issues here on Earth. As we harness these space-driven technologies, it becomes clear that the solutions we develop for the final frontier are just as crucial for ensuring a sustainable future for our planet. This interconnectedness exemplifies the ripple effect of human ingenuity, proving that the pursuit of knowledge truly knows no bounds. As the next chapter of our exploration unfolds, let's rapidly revisit the journey we've taken today, a voyage through the remarkable landscape of biotechnology, advancements that are redefining life in space stations and offering extraordinary benefits for Earth. By delving into these advancements, we've seen how synthetic biology and engineered organisms are not just theoretical marvels, but also practical solutions that convert waste into vital resources like food, water, and oxygen. These revolutionary bioregenerative systems mimic Earth's ecosystems, promising a sustainable closed-loop life support crucial for prolonged space habitation. Genetic engineering has shown us a future where resilient crops resist the harsh conditions of space, which in turn paves the way for improved food security on Earth with high-yield, pest-resistant crops adapted from space. Furthermore, we've explored how tissue engineering and lab-grown food are not only futuristic concepts, but are actively contributing to sustainable food production, reducing dependence on livestock farming and providing diverse meat alternatives. These are not just transformative for space, but also herald a sustainable agricultural revolution on Earth. Our discussion also navigated the importance of biosensors in environmental monitoring, ensuring that human life in space habitats is safeguarded by constantly checking air and water quality. This focus on environmental safety using biotechnology is mirrored in efforts to improve public health and environmental conditions here at home. The ripple effects of these advancements emphasize the interconnectedness of space exploration and terrestrial benefits. The insights gained from addressing the challenges of space life equip us with innovative tools to tackle Earth's pressing sustainability issues. As we voyage through the cosmos, we bring back valuable knowledge and technologies that improve life on our planet, reminding us that the boundary of human innovation stretches far and wide. The powerful blend of awe and responsibility encourages us to ponder the future potential of biotechnology in shaping not only our immediate world but those we are yet to explore. This narrative of exploration and innovation highlights the endless possibilities that lie ahead. As we conclude today's journey, consider how your engagement and curiosity drive this ongoing story of discovery. By subscribing and sharing your thoughts, you become an essential part of this exciting expedition. The journey into the future, guided by the lamp of biotechnology, is one we embark on together. So stay tuned and stay curious as new adventures and revelations in biotechnology await us just over the horizon.